Namaskar, Khushro Bidya. Myself, JVN Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today, our topic is neuron. Continuation of neuron. Structure of neuron. Neuron is made up of three parts: nerve cell body, dendrite, and axon. In this diagram, we can see this is nerve cell which contain which is having dendrite and axon, soma, nucleus, and nucleus granules. This is axon hillock, and this is myelin sheath on axon with node of Raynaud. Nerve cell body is also known as soma perikaryon. It is irregular in shape. Like any other cell, it is constituted by mass of cytoplasm called neuroplasm, which is covered by cell membrane. The cytoplasm contains a large nucleus, nuclear bodies, neurofibrils, mitochondria, and Golgi apparatus. Nuclear bodies and neurofibrils are found only in nerve cell, not in other cell. Nucleus. Each neuron has one nucleus which is centrally placed in the nerve cell bodies. Nucleus has one or two prominent nucleoli. Nucleus doesn't contain centrosome, so the nerve cell cannot multiply like other cells. Nuclear bodies or nuclear granules are small basophilic granules found in cytoplasm of neuron and are named after the discoverer. These bodies are present in soma and dendrites but not in axon and axon hillock. Nuclear bodies are also called tigroid substance since these bodies are responsible for tigroid or spotted appearance of soma after suitable staining. Dendrites are distinguished from axon by presence of nuclear granules under microscope. Neurofibrils. Neurofibrils are thread-like structures present in form of network in soma and nerve processes. Presence of neurofibril is another characteristic features of neuron. The neurofibril consists of microfilament and microtubules. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are present in soma and in axon. As in other cell, here also mitochondria also known as powerhouse of the nerve cell where ATP is produced. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus of nerve cell body is similar to that of other cells. It is concerned with processing and packaging of protein into granules. Dendrite is the branch process of neuron and it is branched repeatedly. Dendrite may be present or absent. If present, it may be one or many in number. Dendrite has nuclear granules and neurofibrils. Dendrite transmit impulse towards the nerve cell body. Usually, the dendrite is shorter than axon. Axon is the longer process of nerve cells. Each neuron has only one axon. Axon arises from axon hillock of the nerve cell body and it is devoid of nuclear granules. Axon extend for a long distance away from nerve cell body. Length of longest axon is about 1 meter. Axon transmit impulse away from the nerve cell body. Organization of nerve. Each nerve is formed by many bundles or group of nerve fibers. Each bundle of nerve fiber is called a fasciculus. Covering of nerve. The whole nerve is covered by tubular sheath which is formed by areolar membrane. This sheath is called epineurium. Each fasciculus is covered by perineurium and each nerve fiber axon is covered by endoneurium. Exoplasm contain mitochondria, neurofibrils, exoplasmic vesicles. Because of absence of missile bodies in the axon, protein necessary for the nerve fiber are synthesized in soma and not in exoplasm. After synthesis, the protein molecules are transported from soma to axon by means of axonal flow. Some neurotransmitter substances are also transported by axonal flow from soma to axon. Axis slender of nerve fiber is covered by a membrane called neurylema. Internal structure of axon, axis cylinder. Axon has a long central core of cytoplasm called exoplasm. Exoplasm is covered by tubular sheath-like membrane called exolemma. Exolemma is continuation of the cell membrane of nerve cell body. Exoplasm along with exolemma is called axis cylinder of nerve fiber. Axis cylinder of nerve fiber is covered by a membrane called neurylema. Non-myelinated nerve fiber and nerve fiber, myelinated nerve fiber. Nerve fiber described above is non-myelinated and which is not covered by myelin sheath. Myelinated nerve fibers which is insulated by myelin sheath and is called myelinated nerve fiber. Myelin sheath is a thick lipoprotein sheath that insulates the myelinated nerve fiber. Myelin sheath is not a continuous sheath. It is absent at regular interval. The area where the myelin sheath is absent is called node of Ranvier. Segment of nerve fiber between the two nodes is called internode. Myelin sheath is responsible for white color of nerve fibers. Chemistry of myelin sheath. Myelin sheath is formed by concentric layer of proteins alternating with lipids. The lipids are cholesterol, lecithin and cerebroside. In this diagram you can see myelin sheath with small gap like structure is called node of Ranvier. This is exolemma around axon, neurylema around Schwann cells. This is nucleus of Schwann cells. Or in axon, this is exoplasm. Functions of myelin sheath. Faster conduction. Myelin sheath is responsible for faster conduction of impulse through the nerve fibers. In myelinated nerve fibers, the impulse jumps from one node to another node. This type of transmission of impulse is called saltatory conduction. Insulating capacity. Myelin sheath has a high insulating capacity. Because of this quality, myelin sheath restricts the nerve impulse within single nerve fiber and prevent the stimulation of neighboring nerve fibers. Neurylema. Neurylema is a thin membrane which surrounds the axis cylinder. It is also called neurylemal sheath or sheath of Schwann. It contains Schwann cells which have flattened and elongated nuclei. Cytoplasm is thin and modified to form the thin sheath of neurylema. One nucleus is present in each internode of axon. Nucleus is situated between myelin sheath and neurylema. Functions of neurylema. In non-myelinated nerve fibers, the neurylema serve as a covering membrane. In myelinated nerve fibers, it is necessary for formation of myelin sheath. Myelinogenesis is possible from neurylema. Neurylema is absent in central nervous system, so the neuroglial cells called oligodendroglia are responsible for myelinogenesis in CNS. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.